99% of people sound like a 1990s robot when talking about their plans.
Wait, really? I always say I will go to the park. Is that wrong?
It's not wrong, but it's definitely not how native speakers talk today. If you want to sound natural, you need to ditch the textbook.
I'm ready. I don't want to sound like a machine anymore.
Great. Today we're fixing your future tense so you can sound 10x more fluent in under 5 minutes.
So, if I can't say I will, what should I say for my weekend plans?
Use I'm going to or the casual version, I'm gonna.
I'm gonna? Isn't that a bit too informal for work?
Not at all. Even in offices, people say, I'm gonna finish that report later.
Okay, let me try. I'm gonna watch a movie tonight.
Perfect. We use this for intentions, things you've already decided to do.
So I will is only for the exact moment I decide something?
Exactly. Like if the phone rings, you say, I'll get it. But for a plan, use gonna.
That makes so much sense. What if I'm not 100% sure about the plan yet?
That's lesson 2. Use the phrase, I'm thinking of, followed by a verb ending in ing.
Like I'm thinking of buying a new car?
Spot on. It sounds much more natural than saying, maybe I will buy a car.
It sounds a bit more relaxed, right?
Exactly. It shows you're considering it. Try another one.
I'm thinking of visiting my grandmother next month.
Beautiful. Native speakers use this constantly to avoid sounding too bossy or certain.
I love that. But what if the plan is super official? Like a flight or a meeting?
That brings us to lesson 3. For 100% fixed plans, use the present continuous.
Wait, the ing form? Like I am working?
Yes. But add a time. I'm flying to London tomorrow.
Instead of I will fly to London?
Yes. I will fly sounds like a prediction or a robot. I'm flying sounds like you have the ticket in your hand.
So if I have a date on Friday, I say I'm meeting him at 8?
You got it. You're sounding more like a native already.
Let's put all of these together. I need to practice.
Let's do a role play. I'm your friend asking about your summer. Ready?
Ready. Go for it.
Hey. Any big plans for the summer vacation?
Well, I'm thinking of going to Italy, but I haven't booked anything yet.
Nice. Italy is amazing. What about next week though? Are you free?
Actually, I'm meeting my boss for dinner on Tuesday, so I'm gonna be busy then.
No worries. I'm thinking of hitting the beach on Saturday. Want to join?
I'm definitely gonna be there. I need a tan.
Perfect. I'm picking you up at 9 a.m. sharp, don't be late.
I won't. See? I used 3 different ways to talk about the future.
And you sounded totally natural. No, I will, in sight.
It feels so much better than the way I learned in school.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video right now.
Tell us in the comments, what are you thinking of doing this weekend?
Use the phrase, I'm thinking of. And we will check your grammar.
Let's recap really quickly so we don't forget.
1. Use gonna for decided plans. 2. Use thinking of for undecided ideas.
And 3. Use the ing form for fixed schedules, like I'm leaving tomorrow.
You nailed it. Subscribe for daily English tips and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye. New video every day, don't miss it.